So we got some comments of like, when are you guys going to actually finish this goddamn boat?
Pretty much. When do you think we'll get it done, Dad?
3 weeks?
3 months?
3 months? No, don't be silly.
What's up everybody, my name is Peter Austin and I'm rebuilding a 1984 Swiftcraft Seagull MkIII that you can see behind me here. I'm working on this with my dad. In the last video we refit the floor and you can see a link to that up here. And in this video we'll be putting new lockers in the boat. The footage for this video was shot earlier in the year. Unfortunately for Dad and I, things have got a little bit busy with work, so since then there hasn't been much progress to the boat. Now it's Christmas holidays, we're hoping to get the boat finished before we go back to work in January, so look out for some more videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and please subscribe to the channel so you can follow all of the updates on the build. Here's a quick recap of where we were at the end of the last video. The new floor is now down, ready for the lockers to be put in place. First we'll put the anchor locker section back in place, and then fit the new bulkhead. We'll then fit the lockers and the wing sections on the side. We've designed the lockers so that there will be enough room in the middle to fit an esky full of cold beer. First we cut and shape the anchor locker section. We check the fit before fitting the anchor locker in place. We then filled in around the edges with a mix of resin and fiberglass strands. With the anchor locker finished, it was time to secure the bulkhead back in place. We then measured out the lengths of the locker pieces we needed to cut. Here is a mock-up of the lockers in place with the esky in the middle. We used 6mm marine ply and reinforced it with a layer of fiberglass mat. We used the miter saw to cut out the lip sections that would secure the locker seats.
Well, that's the principle, just needs a bit of fine tuning.
Edges, we sanded the locker pieces before strengthening it with fiberglass mat. After adding the fiberglass mat, it was time for one final sand before fitting the sections in the boat. Here are the lockers in place on the boat, ready to be stuck down onto the floor. We use the fiberglass mat and the resin to bond the locker to the hull of the boat. We have also added the wing pieces, which will support the locker seats once they have been built. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll be making the seats and painting the inside of the cabin. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you can follow all the updates with the build.